I made a video on how you can save more data when browsing on TikTok and Facebook. And I promised to make another video on how to save more data when browsing on Instagram and YouTube. And this is the video guide on how to save more data when browsing on Instagram and YouTube. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if today is your first time coming across this video. Turn on the bell notification to get notified on newly uploaded videos from this channel. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Starting with the Instagram application. To save more data when using the Instagram application, open your Instagram app. Then, click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on the menu icon. Scroll down until you get to this data usage and media quality option and click on it. Now, make sure to turn this data saver option on to avoid data consumption when browsing on the Instagram application. Moving on to the next social media platform, which is the YouTube app. To avoid more data consumption when browsing on YouTube, just open the app. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on this settings icon. Then, scroll up until you get to this data saving option and click on it. Then turn this option on to save more data consumption when browsing on YouTube. Please, if you have watched the video to this far, consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified when a helpful content like this is uploaded through this channel. Thanks for watching this video.